In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your search engine back to Google on your Google Chromebook, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the browser, select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, you want to select where it says Search Engine, and then select the Change button. Select Google, and then select the blue Set as Default button, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.